Hi, my name is Amelia, and in this video, I am going to walk you through how to set up additional rooms if you have a Pro or Ultimate R-Link account. The professional account includes 3 rooms, and the Ultimate account has 5 rooms. The account owner is the only person who can configure additional rooms. Please sign in to R-Link as the owner. Then select Menu in the navigation bar and navigate to Add, Remove, Manage Rooms to make your changes. Simply click the green Add a Room button at the top of your screen. To set up your new R-Link room, type in your preferred room name and hit the green Save button. Your custom named room will be instantly available. Our system will let you know immediately if your room name is already taken and prompt you to choose a different name. Not to worry, with thousands of possible combinations, you'll find the perfect name for your room in no time. Now that you've successfully created your new room, you'll see your new room appears in your room list. The next crucial step is setting up permissions to enable separate login for this new room. Click on the green Permissions text link. This will open the Permissions configuration panel where you can set up separate login credentials and access levels for this room. Next, enter the email address you want associated with this new room. You'll need to select either host or admin privileges for this email. Hosts can start and manage meetings, but have limited room configuration options. Admins have full control over room settings, permissions, and can modify other users' access. Take a moment to review these differentiators to make an informed choice based on your team's needs, then click the green Save button to apply these permissions. The system will send an automated notification to this email address with login instructions for the newly configured room. After entering the email address and saving, R-Link automatically sends an invitation email to your selected contact. They'll have 24 hours to click the blue invitation link and complete their account setup. You don't need to take any additional steps. Once they accept, they'll have immediate access to the room. Upon clicking, they'll see an account setup screen where they will enter their full name, note their email is already populated for them, create and confirm a password, and click the green Accept Invitation button. After setup, admins/hosts can access the room by visiting Meet, r-link.com/your-room-name, clicking if you're a host or have a stored profile login, entering their email and password. Voila! You're in like Flynn.